Hello, and welcome to Talking Tales, Learn English. Today, we bring you an inspiring true story of a man who never gave up. Elon Musk's unbelievable journey. Through this story, you will not only learn about Elon Musk's struggles and successes, but also improve your English reading, speaking, and vocabulary. Pay close attention to the words used, read along with me, and don't forget to comment on the unique word you learned today. What does it take to change the world? Some would say intelligence, others would say money. But Elon Musk showed the world that the most important thing is perseverance. Never giving up, no matter how hard things get. Born in South Africa in 1971, Elon Musk faced many challenges in life. He was bullied as a child, rejected from jobs, and even ran companies that nearly went bankrupt. But despite all the hardships, he kept moving forward. Today, he is the man behind Tesla, SpaceX, and many other revolutionary companies that are shaping the future. This is his unbelievable journey. Elon Musk was born in Pretoria, South Africa. From a young age, he showed an extraordinary interest in books and computers. While other kids were playing outside, Elon spent hours reading science fiction and learning about space. By the age of 10, he had developed a love for programming. At just 12 years old, he created and sold his first video game, Blastar. This was his first step towards greatness. However, childhood was not easy for Elon. He was often bullied in school and even beaten up. But instead of feeling discouraged, he focused on learning and dreaming big about the future. Growing up, Elon Musk faced a difficult family life. His parents divorced when he was young, and he lived with his strict and often harsh father. He found solace in books, reading encyclopedias for fun. His curiosity led him to study physics, computers, and space at a young age. He wasn't a popular child in school, often isolated due to his deep fascination with science and technology. Elon Musk believed that the United States was the land of opportunity. He wanted to go there to make his dreams come true. At 17, he moved to Canada to start his journey. He did not come from a rich family, so he had to work hard. He took odd jobs like cleaning boilers and working in farms just to survive. Eventually, he got a chance to study at the University of Pennsylvania in the USA. During his studies, he came up with ideas that would change the world, including the concept of the internet and clean energy. But his real success was still far away. At university, Musk studied physics and economics. He believed that understanding both would help him solve real-world problems. While at college, he lived with very little money, often eating cheap food to save money for his projects. He was known for his incredible work ethic, sometimes studying or working for up to 100 hours a week. He was determined to succeed and was willing to sacrifice comfort for his dreams. Elon Musk's first company was Zip2, an online business directory. He and his brother started it with very little money. In the beginning, they had to live in their office and shower at a nearby gym because they could not afford rent. They worked day and night, believing in their idea. After years of struggle, Zip2 was sold for $307 million. This was Musk's first major success. Instead of retiring, he took all his money and invested it in new ideas. This was just the beginning. After Zip2, Musk started XCOM, an online banking service. However, there were many challenges, and investors doubted his vision. His company merged with another startup and became PayPal. Musk faced opposition and was even removed as CEO, but he did not give up. PayPal became a huge success and was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion. With his share of the money, Musk had enough to retire comfortably. But he was not interested in comfort. He wanted to change the world. Musk had two dreams: making space travel possible and creating electric cars. He invested all his money in SpaceX and Tesla. However, things went terribly wrong. SpaceX's first 3 rocket launches failed, losing millions of dollars. Tesla was also on the verge of bankruptcy. Musk had no money left. But just when it seemed impossible, everything changed. SpaceX's 4th launch was a success, and NASA offered them a billion-dollar contract. Tesla also got an investment that saved the company. Today, both companies are changing the world. 30D. Important words. 1. Perseverance. Continuing to try despite difficulties. 2. Bankruptcy. A financial state where a person or business has no money left to pay debts. 3. Innovation. The act of introducing new ideas and methods. 4. Determination. The act of not giving up even when faced with obstacles. 5. Entrepreneur. A person who starts and runs their own business. 6. Resilience. The ability to recover from failures or hardships. Moral of the story. Elon Musk's story teaches us an important lesson. Failure is not the end. It is just a step towards success. No matter how many times life knocks you down, stand up and keep going. If Musk had given up after his failures, we would not have electric cars, reusable rockets, or plans to colonize Mars. The road to success is never easy, but those who keep pushing forward will achieve greatness. Dream big, work hard, and believe in yourself. Anything is possible if you never give up. We hope you enjoyed this inspiring story. Did you learn new words today? Try using them in sentences and improve your English. Now, tell us in the comments, what did you learn from this story? And what story should we tell next? Also, share one unique word you learned today from this story. Let's help each other grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Talking Tales. Learn English. See you in the next story.